Turkey, Haftar secretly received TAF-72B3M tanks and BMP-3M armored fighting vehicles from Russia. The Libyan National Air Force and Khalifa Haftar's army were significantly reinforced with the delivery of the latest generation Russian TAF-72B3M tanks model 25. In fact, they also received BMP-3M armored personnel carriers. The appearance of these advanced vehicles was confirmed by analysts, such as the Libya Field Notes team. These specific weapon systems were spotted during military exercises of the elite Omar al-Mokhtar division in eastern Libya. This is a significant upgrade and reinforcement for the country's national army. They have received some of the newest and most advanced armored vehicles produced by the Russian defense industry. These vehicles also incorporate immediate modifications based on the lessons Russia learned from the war in Ukraine, mainly focusing on countering aerial threats such as drones. The Russian-made TAF-72B3M tanks, specifically, are factory-equipped with anti-ballistic grills known as cope cages and protective nets on the turret to neutralize threats to the Russian-made vehicles. Specifically, they are factory-equipped with anti-ballistic grills and protective nets on the turret for neutralizing threats. The BMP-3M armored personnel carriers, on the other hand, have been equipped with the Special 688A additional protection package. This includes additional ERA armor, protective grids against drones, and integrated FPVE anti-drone systems. This delivery is part of an ongoing flow of modern Russian military equipment to Haftar's forces, which also includes TORM-1 and M2 air defense systems, BM-30 launchers, armored technical vehicles, and BTR-82A armored vehicles. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.